What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Another little hot day, this and that. So like I said today, man, we heading down to Joe Buddy Racing. Get this shift light hooked up and link up with Unc, cause I ain't been down there in a minute. I ain't been to the shop in a minute. So finna go down there, see what Unc got going on, man. Check in with him and all of that. So y'all know we finna drive John Jones all the way there. Should be a little simple little install today. I gotta get another one of these too, man. My switch broke. I ain't working. So I got to get one. I'm finna order that. Good to have, man. Save the shit off. So yeah, man, I'm finna get out this sun, hop in this car so I can get that AC going. And then I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get to Joe Buddy Racing, y'all. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So trying to figure out how to mount this thing, how we gonna go about mounting the glove box. Cause like I said, like I was telling y'all a long time ago, I said when I get to the track, just want to pull the glove box down. Then I can see that when the light flash, I know what time, I know the shift or whatever, and keep it out of sight. Cause y'all can see. For the people, most people not seen their car by now, but I like to keep it. I like to keep it sneaky with the sleeper look. Cause you can see I don't have no buttons, no switches. Nothing visible. And why the bump box, the bump button, head, the scramble button. This the only thing visible is the gauges that you can see, but everything else it just look plain Jane. The shifter, everything sneaky. So I want to keep it like that. We got the ashtray cover that still cover the boost control and all of that. So you know, still going for that sneaky look. So you know, or what you think? Nah, I got too much stuff in there. I was thinking about putting it here, y'all, letting it face up, but it's too much. I do keep stuff in here, y'all can see, but it got to be out of sight. It definitely got to be out of sight. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Y'all see, getting this,
give me $100 back.
He getting this glove box down. He gonna drop it off. He gonna take this off, and we gonna screw it right here. Mount it up right there.
That's fine. I'm just saying.
Run the wire through there. It's gonna be good to go. So, should be quick, quick little simple install, y'all. Getting it took off.
Alright, mount it.
From the mount it. Alright, so we gonna mount this thing. Tuck it out. Let me get up out of here. It's a little tight. Get up out of here, y'all. Lens cap falling. It's all good. So got this thing out. I'll mount it out here. Gonna screw it to that top part right there. So then you know you won't have no bolt coming through and all that. And get ready to race. Drop it. See the light. You know what time it is. Know the shift. Alright, we still getting this thing mounted. Going through. Yeah, all we gotta do is drop the glove box. Light come on, know what to do. Yeah, see, I'm angling it too, so when I drop it, it's gonna be really pointing at me. I really be able to look over there at it, but it be so bright. All I need to see is the light. That's all I need to see. I see the light, I know to hit the gear. Cause this thing here, it like some RPMs. Whenever I choose to show y'all my dyno numbers in my runs, y'all will see. But this thing like some RPM. It definitely like RPM, so it be sounding. I mean, I take it up there, but I still know, man, I'm shifting early. I'm shifting early, cause this thing like to go all right before the limiter. I don't be getting close to it. Alright, so got that thing mounted. See, that perfect. I dropped that glove box. It looking right at. I bet see that light. Cause I don't keep nothing but the original owner's manual in there and a mask. That's all I keep in the glove box. Which I'll be setting that stuff on the seat and I get ready to race on the floor. Cause if I don't, it coming out of there. The G-force throw everything around. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all, when I went to the track last time, I had every time I take my the 18s off, I put my wheels, not my wheels, my lugs. Let me see, bring y'all up. I put my lugs right there. You can see, y'all see right there. I got some in there right there. I put my lug right there. Man, this car took off so hard. It threw the lugs up out of the cup, and they was under the seat right here, all of them. They was up under this seat, man. I had to dig my hand up on there and get them when I had to put the wheel back on. And oh yeah, I got these front springs for F body, a 4-gen F body. Somebody want to get them. They are BMR, some good spring. I got these for sale if somebody want them. Be posting them on Marketplace too. But yeah, we're gonna be able to drop that thing and just boom. Said it's pretty simple to hook up, cause all you got is power and ground, and then the actual tachometer wire. But y'all know I don't like fooling with wiring and stuff. Then I like, man, I come over here and link up with Aunt too. Y'all can see you on the channel. And we'll just do that. I still got to put my overflow. I still ain't did that yet. I got to mount a little overflow, but you know, that's simple. This right here doing the trick though. Alright, y'all. We checking back in. Let's see, Aunt got that thing mounted. Going back in with the glove box. Y'all gotta do it wired up. And that's it. So when he get that, well, you gonna wire it up for you. Nah, you finna mount it though first.
I'm mount the box back in.
Yeah, mount the box so it ain't just dangling. Then he got 3 wires to hook up, y'all, and we gonna have some live action like the Turtle Man used to say. Know y'all remember him. But he get that mounted up, screwed back. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, and or better yet, I might just turn y'all back on when we get it hooked up. I'm just gonna roll some B-roll. Alright, we getting the wire ran, y'all. I'm running the power wire, right? He running the power. He gonna ground over there in the dash. And the tack wire on these cars actually it stay on that side. Huh? Oh, well, he got ground right there. It's really simple. I just don't like running this stuff. But the tack, if you want it on these cars, cause they ain't got no distributor, you have to go in the number 10 pin over here. Should be a white wire. You pop your cover off, and you come over here and you find your number 10 pin, and then you tap into your white wire. That's your tack. So you got it's a 4th generation, man, from 99. Well, I'm gonna say from, I think it's 99 to 2002, if I remember right. This is where you tap in. You look for number 10, the number 10 pin, the white wire, and that's where the green wire hook up to. So it's 3 little wires, power, put on 12 volt power switch. 12 volt switch meaning when you turn the key forward, you get power. Otherwise it'll be on all the time. You don't want that. So then you go take your green, tap into the number 10 pin, and they're gonna read your tach. They're gonna give you a tach reading. So y'all see, get that done right there. Getting it done, then we just put it all back. We're gonna be good to go. Alright y'all, we got the power and the ground hooked up, so about to just test it, make sure we got some fire to it. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got action. So we got the power. All we gotta do is run the wire. That's the easy part, cause it's right over there.
So, found it out there.
Yeah, that's the easy part. So see, it's a wrap. You got that. We just put that stuff back, put the radio back, all that. We're gonna run that wire out there to that number 10 pin, and we're gonna have a working tachometer. Well, we got 2 on. One in the dad work, but you know, gonna have that one right there. They're gonna stay in the glove box, set the shift point, and we're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute.
I know what's gonna be next.
What that?
The automatic shifter that works off this tach.
The automatic shifter. How we gonna do that and keep it hid though?
We'll figure it out.
We gotta keep everything hid, y'all. Deception, man. That's what it's about. What they call deception.
Exactly. We're going to the transmission leader down there.
Yeah.
So it'll be under because you can't see it.
Oh yeah, you won't see nothing then.
All you know is shifting. Yeah, shift that.
I'll tell you. I gotta change this shifter too, y'all. I told you I'm gonna get the same one, but the mechanism, the neutral to first. Something going on right there. Every time you have to pull it up in neutral and then go back to first for it to engage, or if it be, you go back up, shifting, it'll ride in between gears. So I've been told y'all I'm gonna order it, man. I might go home and order it tonight, get it on the way, then just change it out. It'll be easy. It's unbolted. Put the cable back up. You go to ride. So. All right, we checking back in. Got the wire threaded through there and came up right beside number 10 where he needed to be. So we got that. That's the easy part. Tap into that. We're gonna have action. Set the RPMs and we're gonna be good to go. Y'all see, look there. Everything back there's perfect, man. They were perfect. Like you can't. Look at that. That's how I want it. Drop that glove box like that. When that light come on, boom.
Turn the switch on, let the light come on.
Yeah, look. When that light come on, it point right at you. It's gonna light up in here. We know we on go. So there couldn't have been no perfect. That's how I want it. When you done, close it back. Ain't nobody seen nothing. If they don't look at the video, they don't know. But when you just out, gas station, this and that, you good to go. So let me see, we out here now. We out here about to.
Alright, let's find number 10 pin.
Number 10. We gotta find that number 10. Tap into it. And then we're gonna be on go.
Alright, turn the key off.
Alright, y'all, so we got it.
Turn the key on.
We're trying to get it set. It's our first time using this one. It kind of,
Alright, crank it up.
it's advanced too. It was off at first. So we gotta get the mode locked in. It says 4 for V8 engines.
Alright, that's 4.
So we need the probably enter button.
Where the enter button is?
Let's see. What is the enter? Yeah, you got the light on. You got the light on your head.
It says mode, PPR display, press, enter. Confirm selection.
Gotta get this thing set up, y'all. our first time both using one of these. We use the old school shift light, the tachometers.
Okay. So PPR.
Yep. There we go.
4.
So when you hit enter, what it doing? Going back to PPR?
Yeah. Maybe a hold.
This thing figured it out, y'all. So I get it so the RPM reading right first, then you can set the shift point. That thing said well item at 4. You know that ain't right. We still got the other tag right here as a reference. So y'all about to see if the shift point work. Thing here pretty tricky. It's a lot it do. Oh yeah, so it flashing orange right now because it ain't right at 2000.
Hold on. You get the shift point where I got to set it, but let's brighten it up.
Oh, the indicators.
Yeah. All right. Cut it off. See, it's on low now.
With the lights now display. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we need right there.
Let me see. Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Cut it off. Cut it off.
Cycle the power,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there, y'all. So we're gonna get this thing set where it's supposed to, man. That's gonna be it, y'all. Alright, y'all, we back at the house, man. Finally got back from Joe Buddy Racing, man, from getting the shift light installed. Got this give a big shout out to Unc, man, for getting that done. Got John put up, covered up and everything. Good late night crew, man, cool. Good slow jams, old school slow jam playing, man. Hey, that's what it's about. That's what it's about, man. People be getting all competitive with these cars and all that other stuff, man. You stay in your own lane, enjoy your car. That's what it's about. Man, ain't nothing like what I just did. Driving the car down there today and the AC, then coming back at night, windows cracked down. Listen to some good music, man, just cruising. Just cruising, man. You got a fast car, you cruise it. That's what you do. So yeah, man, we got the shift light installed. I'm going to tinker with it some more tomorrow, play with it, because it's really a lot this stuff do. I'm going to really sit down and read these instructions tonight and just see how to set it, because you can change the lights and all type of stuff, man. So I'm going to tinker with it some tonight and all that. Then tomorrow I go out there and sit in the car and play around with it. But now we got the shift light, man. I can know for sure I'm getting the full power and stuff, called, like I said, man, I got out there on the tire when I got closer. When I got closer, man, I got on it a little bit and shifted it where I normally shifted. Light didn't even come on. I knew I'd been short shifting that thing, man. I've been leaving a lot of power on the table. So and tomorrow I'm probably gonna go in it. I'm probably ain't gonna make no video on that. I'm just gonna do this, gonna be for my own personal records, but I'm gonna set a GoPro up so I can shine it at the shift light, the shift light, and then I'm gonna go out there like and make a hit and shift where I normally shift it, so I can see exactly how much RPM I'm leaving on the table. So yeah, they're gonna be it, man. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG.